Hi there, my name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. In today's video we're going to have a look at how to set smooth jump links from a custom menu. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and also check out the link in my description to see how I make money online. So yeah, just a quick video really. So once you've made your menu, your custom menu, you've got all your different custom menus that you can choose and stuff. I'm not going to go into all that yet. I just want to show you this jump link. So you choose one of the categories that you want. This kind of anchor thing here, that's the jump link there. So you click that, select target, and then you can just choose any section you want. So let's just go down and choose one. So yeah, let's just choose that. I'll choose the background a bit there. Yep. Then you select the target, add jump link, and that's it. That should be done. Let's just preview that. Okay, so let's click about, and that's it. It goes down. So yeah, simple as that really. Let's go back. Now also, so you go back to the link. You can also remove it or modify it, which goes, you can re-choose another section. And you've also got smooth animation. So if you click that, well, I'm going to have to save and preview again. So yep, so now if we click that, that just makes it a lot smoother. Cool, so that's it. That's how you do a smooth jump link from your custom menu. My name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also check out the link down below in the description to see how I make money online. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.